Hey guys, so today I'm making a homemade pizza. I'm using the Grand's biscuits, I'm using Rayo's pizza sauce, mozzarella. I have diced onions, not tiny minced, just kind of slivers. I'm gonna grease my pan with Pam, and I have some seasonings. I'm gonna open these up, I'm gonna cut them into quarters and lay them on the pan. So I quarter all these up, and then I'm gonna spread them on the pan evenly. We're having a blizzard tonight and another blizzard. And in case I lose electricity, I like to have food cooked, so if it doesn't have to be in the refrigerator, I can still have something to eat. Because you can eat pizza room temperature or cold right out of the fridge, so this is perfect. Okay, I'm gonna use this whole thing. And when you're getting ready to add your seasonings, you add whatever you like to it. I like onions. If I had mushrooms, I'd be adding mushrooms too. What I don't have, that's not enough, is mushrooms. I like mushrooms. I spread the whole can out on this. I feel like I need a little bit more. I don't like a lot of sauce, so I'm just gonna use a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna add my mozzarella. Okay, triple cheddar. Gonna cook it on 375. My oven is already preheated for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning and crushed red pepper. I like it hot. What do you guys like on top? What's your favorites? Everybody likes pepperoni but me. Gonna add a little Italian seasoning on top. Okay, I already cut up my onions prior to. I like them a bit chunkier. I don't like them necessarily minced. So for me, this is the perfect diameter. Is that the word I'm looking for? Okay, there she is. Easy peasy, literally took me 5 minutes. 5 minutes prep, 5 minutes to make. Going in the oven for 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, you guys, let's give it a try. Really good. Bon appetit. Give this at-home recipe a try. Let me know what you think. Record yours, show me yours. Whoop, it's got sauce somewhere. So good. Bon appetit.